Hi guys, and welcome to my tutorial on rebar. In today's video, I'll be explaining the types of rebar ties and their uses, and how to read rebar. So let's start with the types of ties. So there's 6 main types of ties we can use when tying rebar. The most common one is the simple or snap tie, mainly used in 4 slabs. How this tie works is you start here, you loop under, and you tie once, twist it around and cut off the excess. Like I said, it's mainly used in 4 slabs. The next second most common type of tie is the saddle tie, mainly used in floors and walls. How this tie works is you start here, you loop under, over, and you tie and cut off the excess. The next type of tie is a wall tie. It's used in light vertical mats, mainly walls. So what's going to happen here is you're going to start here, go under, over, and back up and tie, cut off the excess again. Saddle tie with a twist, used in heavy rebar combinations or applications. So how this works is different from the saddle tie because you have an extra loop in here. So this is going to go under, over, and come up, twist, and cut off the excess. Now, the double strand single tie is basically a single or snap tie, but you're using 2 pieces of wire. Same type of idea, under, over, me in the middle, tie, cut off the excess. Now the cross or figure 8 tie, mainly used in areas where no movement is allowed, right? So if you're tying a wall and you don't want your pieces shifting, this is where you're going to be using that. Now, that's done. Let's talk about how to read rebar. Each piece of rebar is going to come with engraved writing on the side. The first letter or symbol is the mill number. This is used to the mill's reference. The next number is the bar size, which it shows here is 20, and I will show you guys the other chart. It goes over all the different designations of bar sizes. Then there's going to be a blank space, and then the grade symbol is basically how strong the rebar is. So in this case, it's 400 MPa, newtons per millimeter squared, megapascals. Let me show you this other chart. These are the bar designation sizes. So as you see, 10 is the most tiniest, 55 is the biggest. So then you have your mass, kilograms per meter squared. You have your cross-sectional area, your diameter, and your perimeter. So here's what I was talking about earlier with the grades. So if you have a grade of 300, it's 300 MPa, 511 PSI. The larger the grade number, the stronger the rebar. So that is now completed. Types of rebar and how to read rebar. Once again, guys, I'd like to thank you for your time. I hope you learned something. Hope you picked something up. Please join me for my next video on concrete basics. Thanks, guys.